But from here, I could brush, and if my brush exits out of her skin, notice it doesn't select it. It's not until I go out that will select it. And the reason behind this is that plus right in the middle is our target. It will only touch those certain shade of pixels, and if that shade of pixel doesn't match, it won't make a selection on it. And from here, I could finesse it. I could do texture if I want to remove any type of blemishes and soften her skin.